Today I'm talking about the 3 kinds of content you definitely want to make sure you have on your YouTube channel, especially if you are building your brand. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. This is Paige Wilhide, and you are on the Paige Media YouTube channel, aka The Paige Show. I think I'm gonna rebrand it to be that, so let me know what you think about that. Anyway, today I'm gonna be talking about 3 kinds of content that you want to have on your YouTube channel. The first kind of content that you wanna make sure you have on your channel, especially if you're a brand, especially if you are growing a business through YouTube, is acquisition content. Now, that is content that is going to be super optimized for search. It's gonna have those really high top tier keywords in your video. You're gonna be targeting them for different types of search, like how to or 5 tips or something along those lines. This is going to acquire an audience, right? That's why we call it acquisition content. It's going to target different audiences based on the keywords and bring them into your network. Now, once they're in your network, once they're on your channel, then we've got a couple more different pieces of content that you wanna make sure you have when they get there. And that leads us to the second piece of content, which is hub content. Now, hub content is not necessarily optimized for search, although it's not a bad idea, but the main purpose of hub content is to keep people really engaged in your videos. So things like a vlog that I do, like a travel vlog or my Paige Media photo shoot vlog, that is hub content. I'm not gonna be bringing some random cold lead into my network because of that video. However, it nurtures the audience that already exists there, and that's really great because it keeps people binge watching, essentially, your video content. So hub content is supposed to be really fun, exciting, engaging. Make sure you bring the audience into it, have them be able to engage in some way, ask them questions, or take their suggestions and make a video. Hub content is really fun to produce, and it also will start to nurture your YouTube audience, which is huge when it comes to the next piece of content, which is number 3, conversion content. Ooh. We talk about conversions when we talk about sales, right? And branding and marketing and all of that good stuff. So if you are building your business on YouTube, you need conversion videos. You need videos that will send people somewhere to do something that you want them to do. So here's an example. Converting someone to become a subscriber on your mailing list. Great way to use a YouTube video to convert somebody. Now, what I would do is I would make a video about that freebie, that opt-in that I'm offering, and I will talk about it. I will do 5 tips about it or something along those lines. And then at the end, I will lead people to another link in the description. That link will tell them to then subscribe or fill in your email address. You'll get this freebie, and they're on my mailing list. That is conversion content. And it's super important when you want to build your audience, whether you're looking to build your mailing list, whether you're looking to sell a product, whether you're looking to drive people to your Instagram account, whatever you want them to do, whatever the conversion is, you wanna make sure you have some pieces of content that are specifically designated for that. So ideally, the funnel is they enter onto your YouTube channel through acquisition content, they stay around for a little while because of hub content and also all the other stuff, but hub content is like keeping people engaged and nurtured, and then conversion content sends them off into the direction that you want to send them. It's pretty darn simple if you think about it. And so make sure whenever you're creating a video that you know, is it acquisition, is it hub, or is it conversion content? And that will dictate your calls to action, the content that you have in it, what you write in the descriptions, what your tags are, how you title it. It really will lead to all of the other things that you need for your YouTube strategy. So, hey, that's all I got for today. Acquisition, hub, and conversion content. What do you think? Are you doing those things already? Do you have those things on your YouTube channel and your playlists? show me, tell me, make a comment below. Also, like this and subscribe to this and all of the things. And I will see you in the next video.